Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I received a message from one of the students like how can we find the height of the cylinder. So look at this here. Either you can memorize directly the formula. The formula is height equals volume divided by pi r squared. And how we got this formula? From the basic formula of the volume of the cylinder. This is the basic formula, right? So it means that in this formula we made the h the subject. So either you can use this formula, or while you will be solving the question you can use the basic formula and then you can eliminate, or you can say you can divide both sides by a number to get the value of h. Let me explain you with the help of an example. Here's an example. It says the volume of the cylinder is square centimeters and the radius of the base is 5 feet. What is the height of the cylinder? Now I will explain you in both ways. For example, I want to use directly the formula. So what is the formula? H is the subject and I will divide volume by pi r squared. Okay, what is the value of the volume? It's 502.4 and I will divide it by what is the value of pi? It's 3.14 times it by what is the value of the radius? It's 5, so it will be 5 squared. And directly I can put these values into the calculator. How? Look at this, let me show you. You can go to the fraction key and in the numerator you can write 502.4 and then go to the denominator. It says 3.14 times 5 squared, right? And get the answer. It's becoming 6.4. So the height will become 6.4 feet. Okay, so 6.4 feet is the height. What is the other way? Let's say I don't know, I haven't memorized this formula. Then I can write the basic formula of the volume. What is the basic formula of the volume? It says V equals pi r squared h. Now substitute the values. V is 502.4 and on the other side we have 3.14 times 5 squared times h. Now 502.4 equals what? Let's multiply these two. So it's becoming 3.14 times 5 squared. So it is giving us 78.5. So I'll write over here 78.5 h. Now to make this h on its own, I have to divide this side by, let me divide it. I will divide this side by 78.5 so that I could have h on its own, and here 78.5. So this 78.5 and this 78.5 will cancel each other. So h equals, so let's check, is it giving us the same answer? So it will be 502.4 divided by 78.5 and it is giving us the same answer, 6.4 feet. So these are the two ways to get the value of the height from the question, from any question, like when the volume is given. So I want you to pause the video here and solve this example number 2 on your own and then play the video to check your answers. So here is the answer for the second example. I have done it in both ways. The way that is easy for you, you can go with that way. Just be very careful when you are using this formula method, like directly you are writing the formula, you are making h the subject. In this case, while you will be entering the values, remember both of these have to be written in the denominator while you will be writing on your calculator. Clear? Some students, they write it like this, 1848 divided by 3.14 and then times it by 7 squared separately. Remember both of these have to be in the denominator. Clear? That's all for this video.